Well, let's see if we can find the bullet. I actually made a pretty good round hole through a bunch of these. So it's about 500 napkins. The back end of that's a big old hole. And it kind of gets all messed up here. Oh, I heard something. Oh, there it is. So I want to see if the bullet traveled. Oh, there it is right there. Whew, that is still pretty hot. See, so there's 1,000. See how many colors it went through. Through all the purple and red, and it stopped right here at green, the third color. 2,000 squares of toilet paper is all you need to stop a bullet.